Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.3, Problem 6. This is Section 4.3, Problem 6. It says write each percent as a decimal, and we have 42%, 36%, 28%, 77%, and 83%. So the first one, 42%, what you want to do to convert a percent to a decimal is take the decimal point where it's written and move it 2 positions to the left. So for 42%, there's no decimal point written, but you can assume it's the end. And if you go 2 places to the left, it becomes 0.42. And if you like, you could write 0.42 or 0.42. It's the same. So 0.42 and 42% are equivalent. The next one, part B, 36%, same process. Assume the decimal point is at the far right after the 6. If you go 2 positions to the left, it'll go in front of the 3, which would make it 0.36. And if you like, you can make 0.36 or just 0.36. It's the same thing. Part C, 28%, same process. Put in a decimal point. You can assume it's at the far right, to the right of the 8. If you move it 2 positions to the left, it'll go in front of the 2 or to the left of the 2, making it 0.28. And if you like, you can leave it as 0.28. That's okay. Or some people like to put a 0 in front, 0.28. It's the same thing. The next one, part D, same process, 77%, convert it to a decimal. You can assume the decimal point is in there at the far right, even though it's not written, to the right of the last 7. So if you go 2 positions to the left, it'll come in front of the first 7 or to the far left, making it 0.77. And again, 0.77 is fine. If you prefer, you can make that 0.77. That's okay too. And finally, part E, the last one, 83%, convert it to a decimal. Same exact process. You can assume the decimal point is at the far right or to the right of the 3. To make it into a decimal from a percent, you're going to move that 2 positions to the left, so it'll come in front of the 8 or to the left of the 8, making it 0.83, which can be left as 0.83, or if you prefer, you can write 0.83. It means the same.